I've been okay, I've been alright. I've been messing around with this girl for a minute. She just came down in the summer.
Hello guys, you welcome back again to my channel. In this channel we do a lot of things about beauty and hair. Okay, so guys, in today's video I will be showing you guys how to make cornrows from the beginning as a learner. So if you are a learner, please go and get your mannequin. Let's get this started. Okay, so I will be starting from the scratch, how I learned how to make hair with no one teaching me. I was just doing it on my own, right? Okay, so first of all, if today is your first time of visiting my channel, you are highly welcome. Thank you so much for discovering this video. Thank you so much for tuning in. So guys, please, for all my subscribers and my returning viewers, you guys are the most VIP. Thank you so much for watching. So guys, today I don't want to talk too much. Let's leave it all to our newcomers and our learners. Today's video I will be showing you how to make cornrows from the beginning. If you are a learner, this video is good for you. So learn how to make your own braids from the beginning, your own cornrows to say from the beginning. Okay, first of all, I'm going to be parting the first three. Those first three lines, they are very important. Do not forget it. Part the first three lines, then you have to braid 1 2 times. You have to braid 2 times. Do not forget this. Okay, so before you start before you continue fixing the hair. So in this case, when you braid hair like this, even when you are adding extension, it will make the hairline to be intact. All of my clients, they can testify to the fact that when I'm fixing their hair, they don't lose their front hairline. This is the method I use for them. Either I'm putting extension or not, I always use it, because trust me, this is the best method so far. To start with a client's hair is the best method. So this is what I will be teaching you today. So you have to part it into 3, don't forget. Then you braid 1 2. Okay, so you don't pull the hair before you continue. Okay, so let me leave you can concentrate on this video. Thank you so much guys. I will see you at the end of this video. Keep watching.
Think back to all the better days when I used to be young and free. I remember her like it was yesterday. She was so beautiful to me. In my mind sometimes I'll run away to this time back in history. She reminds me of the summertime, way back in 2003. Hey, she was a cutie in a sundress. I told her I just had to confess, I got a crush on you, darling. Them long tan legs got me falling. And I know we just met, yeah. But I heard that love at first sight ain't a myth. Oh no, yeah. I wanna take you out on a dance floor, girl. I wanna hear you screaming out for some more, girl. I wanna do something that they call crazy, call you my baby, my pretty lady. I wanna be with you until we're fucking 80. I wanna watch the sunset with you daily, keep my baby safe as we live, always chasing, hearts racing. When I'm with you, I'm just saying, back to all the better days when I used to be young and free. I remember her like it was yesterday. She was so beautiful to me. In my mind sometimes I'll run away to this time back in history. She reminds me of the summertime, way back in 2003. I've been chilling on the coast with my homegirl, the palm trees and the time moving slow, girl. Back to my place, hey, you can call it home, girl. Pina coladas on tap, we alone, girl. I want a piece of you, you want a piece of me. Ray-Bans on, gotta block out the heat. I love your smile too, I've never felt so free. Bring it on, girl, work that body here to me. And I know that summer only lasts 3 months, yeah. We got the whole world, travel with me, girl. And we'll never stop chasing the sun. That's right. On the run, we ain't done till we find what we want. So we can stop anytime you want. Cause we on the run, we ain't done till we find what we want. But I already found the one. I think back to all the better days when I used to be young and free. I remember her like it was yesterday. She was so beautiful to me. In my mind sometimes I'll run away to this time back in history. She reminds me of the summertime, way back in 2003.
But it's too late now, I remember you and me, and how careless we could be.
All day and all night, we'd stay up, it felt so right. We were so young, we were so dumb. We would get drunk and then hook up. We were.
Guys, we finished fixing this hair. How do you see it? Isn't it lovely? Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. I will bring you another video, and please do not forget to turn on your notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video, you will be the first person to be notified. Thank you so much. Share this video with your friends and family. I will see you in my next video. Bye.
I've been okay, I've been alright. I've been messing around with this girl for a minute. She just came down in the summer for a visit.